It's so dark in here. Let me turn on the lights. Ooh. Ah. What does this button do? No, 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 no. It says don't press that. Don't even say it. Told you so, bruh. What's going on, Code Squad? Check this out, baby. Today, we're gonna learn about eslintric. It helps keep our code clean. And also, if we make a mistake, it puts a little red underline where the mistake is so that we will know exactly where it is. Also, we're gonna learn about extensions, which provide extra capabilities for us within Visual Code Studio. It's kind of like, you see the icons next to my folders? It's kind of like that. It provides a whole lot more capabilities too. So we're going to learn all of that plus more. Let's get it, baby. All right, Code Squad. So the first thing that we want to do is to install ESLint. So let's go ahead and open up our terminal. Hold Command and press J. Terminal. And we want to npm install -g ESLint. And that's going to globally install ESLint. All right, so now what we want to do is run ESLint --init. It's going to initialize it. You see right here it said, okay, so it added 3 packages and removed 1, updated 22. All right, so how would you like to configure ESLint? Use a popular style, guide, select Airbnb, do you use React, Y for yes, and what format do you want to use? Let's say JSON. Now it's installing that. All right, so it successfully created .eslintric.json, which is right here. So let's select that. And what we want to do is add this whole script right here. So I'm going to copy this in the description below in YouTube, and I hope the format is okay for you to just copy and paste this so that you do not have to type it all out. If not, if the format is not good in the YouTube description, please let me know and I'll try to find some other way to place it so that you can just copy and paste it. But let's keep it moving. So next we want to add the npm scripts. So let's go to our package.json right here. And we want to go to scripts right here. Add this comma. We're going to add some more. We're going to add that. We have to Command S to command save this. We have to do that for the same thing for .eslintric.json. So come here, press command, hold Command and press S, and now that's saved. And we can also update our settings. So we can hold Command and press comma. It brings up our user settings, which are right here. And we could use prettier.es integration. Write that as true. And editor.format unsave. You can add that as true as well. I do not like to use it because it kind of messes up with the format that I prefer. However, you can add it and use it and try and see if you like it. So you would just either uncomment it, hold Command and press S to save your user settings, or you can just type it in and save it as well. Like I said, I'm not going to update it because I prefer not to use it personally. All right, so that added the ESLint. And now what we're going to do is add some extensions. So let's go right here to the square, select it, and you can see that I already have 5 extensions added. The first one is bookmarks, and you can just go to the search and just select, type it in, bookmarks. But then you can, it should say install right here. It's just that I already have it, so it's not going to say install. But you can install it right there. And you can uninstall it if you find out that you do not like it. However, I use bookmarks because let's say we have something important right here. We can hold Option, hold Command, and press K, and they'll set this bookmark right here. We can also, let's say we have something all the way at the bottom of our screen that we want to remember. We hold Option, hold Command, and press K as well. And we can jump between those 2 lines. So we can hold Option, hold Command, and press J and jump up, or press L and jump down. So I think that's a pretty unique extension. So I use that one. I also use ESLint. It says that it integrates ESLint JavaScript. I'm not exactly sure what that does, but I have it. NPM IntelliSense, Visual Code Studio. Let's select it. So it says it's by Christian Kohler. And so it remembers it knows the paths that we're going to use. It's kind of hard to describe, but we are going to use it, and it's easier to understand once you see it. So just check it out, install it if you wish, because we're going to use it. We're also going to use Path IntelliSense, and you can read what it does right here. It's kind of hard to describe. It says it auto completes the file names. Okay, and NPM IntelliSense auto completes the NPM modules and import statements. So we're importing Lodash right here, and he didn't have to write Lodash. It did it for him essentially. So it's just a way to move quicker while you code, because moving quicker and simpler is always important. And now VS Code icons, that is our icons right here. So like you see the folder icon, and you see all these other red JS to let us know that this is a JavaScript file. These are all, like I said, just ways to help simplify and make things easier to understand and move quicker. So those are the 5 extensions that I have. And let it be known, Code Squad, I'm not a professional coder. I'm not the coding guru or anything. I also have questions when it comes to code, and I want to propose a question to you all. So all right, Code Squad, so I have the simulator showing, and remember to run that. All we have to do is depending on where you're located. So like, let's say that this says desktop or doesn't say anything. You have to cd, remember, change directory, and make sure that you end up in this folder's directory path. We are, because it says nilvac practice right here, and so we're in the nilvac practice folder directory, so we're good. All right, but then you just run react native run -ios, and if you want to run Android, you have to do Android, but you have to do all of the installation for Android that was shown in the Facebook guide, like we did for the iOS. But for right now, we're only working on iOS, so we're just going to worry about run iOS. All right, so my question to you all is, so you see it says welcome to React Native command. It says welcome to React Native. To get started, edit app.js. So let's add some more. Let's say text, and then we have to add a closing tag, text tag, and we say, let's just say welcome to React Native. So let's say happy that you are here. Save that, and now we're going to rerun this command. Hold the command and press R, and it shows welcome to React Native, happy that you are here. All right, so my question to you all is, you see how I had to press text, then add another closing tag for text? Is there like an autocomplete tag extension that I can use? So I tried to do something like autocomplete tag, something like that. And there's auto close tag by June Han. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Autocomplete tag. We can look at this. It has 1.6 million downloads, but it looks like it only works for a certain amount of languages: XML, PHP, Vue, TypeScript, JSX. I downloaded this and I installed it. Reload. All right, so but nevertheless, when I type in text, oh, it actually popped up. It actually worked. That's crazy. Let me try something else. View. All right, guys. So we're also going to use the auto close tag. Shout out to June Hong. And also shout out to everybody else. Alessandro, I don't want to pronounce your names wrong. Dirk, and everybody else who made the Christian color. Roberto Huertas. Everybody else that made the extensions as well, because I know that is hard work. All right, guys, so I guess I answered my own question. However, I'm still going to have plenty of more questions as we progress through the series. So let's get it. All right, Code Squad, that's a wrap for today. I hope that you all enjoyed the video. And if you have any questions, please feel free to hit me up on Facebook, Instagram. I'm not sure if you can send me messages on YouTube besides in the comments, but if you can, man, just feel free to reach out, because I'm still learning all this as well, but it's a whole lot easier if we collaborate and work together to solve the bugs and problems, as opposed to us staying alone and just trying to find it out on our own. So like I said, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, hit me up. If I don't know the answer, I'll definitely try to find someone else who does. So Let's get it, baby, together. Take care.